Hi and welcome back. Today we have something really exciting to talk about, the AudioBox iTwo Studio Kit by PreSonus. This is like all-in-one solution for your audio needs, so it comes with everything you need. So let's see what's in a box, and this is incredible value. Stick around to find out how much I paid for this whole thing. So inside the box we have some paperwork, foam, and there is a USB cable that it's used to connect the audio box to your PC or Mac. So this could be used for both PC and Mac. So this is the actual interface. It's neatly packed. This audio box has two inputs. Underneath the cardboard, there is more cardboard and two more things that come in the kit as well. So we have HD7 headphones and the M7 microphone. So yeah, that's it. That's everything you'll find in the box. This kit also comes with a Studio 6.1, which is like audio software that you can use. I did not use it. I did install it, but I don't use it. So there's XLR cable that comes in the kit, so which is really nice. So you don't need to purchase new one once you have this. Again, this is complete kit. There's the mic. This is M7. Comes in this nice little pouch that you will never use. XLR connection, and there's yeah, it's pretty nice and solid. There's some dust on it. This is not a button. I thought it would be, but it's not. This is how it looks on my super cheap boom arm that I don't have anymore. I have a really nice one finally. Blue cable. It might not be for everyone, but it's nice and solid. Connections are solid. There's a nice satisfying click once you connect it to a microphone, and it's fairly long. I forgot how long, but I would say at least longer than 6 feet, if not 10 feet. So that's the mic. And now we come to my favorite part of this whole kit. It's HD7 semi-open headphones. They're nicely labeled. You can see R. It tells you which side is which, so you don't have to guess every time before you get used to. The build quality doesn't feel like it's the best. They feel kind of flimsy, but I think that's what gives these headphones its advantage. Like being well, not the flimsy, but like the fact they're super light. They feel cheap, but they're super light, and they can be on your head for a long time without feeling any pressure or discomfort. So there's an audio box interface. As you can see, this also came with some dust on the top. I don't know what's up with that, but this is how it looks on set up on my table. Those blue lights, we'll talk about them first, but it's very, very easy to use, honestly. Like you have, everything is nicely labeled. I like this kind of unusual blue and black and silver combo. As you can see, it's a USB 2.0 power to PC or Mac, and this will give you phantom power for your microphone, so you can use it. Other than that, this mic could not be used without it, without interface. So there's these annoying blue lights. They're super bright, and at night I had to actually put duct tape over a power button because it's so blinding, and it's like always lit. That's one negative. And okay, you can see once you turn it on, it lights up nice and blue. This thing, so the volume for the mic, I notice I will have to turn it all the way up in order to hear the full sound. As a matter of fact, this whole video is recorded using this setup. So please let me know down in the comments what you think. I think quality is really good, especially for the price. My favorite, again, part are the headphones. I use them all the time. They're very comfortable. You can use them whole day. You will not feel like you have them on your head. And the fact they're semi-open, doesn't really get hot, or you don't feel pressure on your ears. So how much this whole setup costs? So mic, headphones, interface, cable, and the software audio software. I paid in March of this year, $29.99 at adorama.com. $32 with free shipping. Incredible deal. Incredible. You can't find cheaper, better deal than this. The price right now, it's $150, but I think even for that price, this is excellent deal for anybody to have. Thank you for watching.